Hi, I'm Gibaud, and today my monthly Luminar Neo video, and today I want to speak about a section called X membership. Many people ask about it and they want to know what it is about, what it offers, what do you get with that, which is an extra of Luminar Neo. So I'm going to use pictures I made in Japan, in Tokyo last week. So I'm going, I don't know when you see the video, but I'm going to open this feature and see it can help for me to retouch my picture, give a special look to it. So let's speak about it. Let's start. And by the way, don't forget, with the code ERIC10, you get 10% discount on Luminar Neo on top of any offer they have. So still place your code, you save some money. There's a link in the description where you can download it. So the best thing to show you what it can offer to you is to dive into screen capture and show you what I did to my pictures and all the features, all this. So you can access the membership X in two ways, or here you can click here directly on extra, or if you're on preset here also from here extra, you just click here. Okay, this window will appear. As you can see, you have the marketplace that is here, the one you probably knew. You can actually buy individual presets or skies or whatever, but there's an interesting feature here which is called Membership X. You pay once a year and you cut every month some new content. Here, there are all of them. You can check overlays, for example, to give some textures to your pictures, or fog or whatever. Then you have the LUTs, lookup tables with colors. Then you have the presets, many presets every month. Okay, and here you have also the skies. We see that many people, they actually always use the same sky in the picture, so it's really noticeable. So I think it's important to have more options and change every month your skies. Okay, here I did not install all of them because I record in 3 languages, so if I install all of them I cannot demo in another language, so I install this one. I'm going now to carry on with showing with some of my picture and install 1 or 2 for you so you can see how it works. So let's carry on. So if you want to install one of them, it's easy. You go to extra. Here you have the marketplace, you go to X membership. Here you have the list of the one that's already installed, and you pick this one. For example, you want this one, this snowbound vision. Obviously, as I said before, you can check type you want. Okay, so let's say I want to install it. As you can see, it's installed really fast. If I move here, come back here, as it says now, as you see now, it's installed in gray, so it means it is installed. And every month you get new ones. So now we're going to jump into editing some pictures to see the results. So I installed all the presets and all the features that were available. I've got this picture. I want to go to my preset, and here I've installed the new one. So if I click to my X membership, here are all the presets I've installed. There's one I saw that was interesting, which is called Japan Autumn. When we get a collection, you have several presets in there, so I could pick the one I want, like Autumn Red or whatever. Okay, this city softener. Obviously, this is really strong. I can always fine tune to my taste, and I can always check the before or after. Or I could do this here and move and compare, see what I like best. So as you can see, I could easily access all the presets I got installed with my X membership, and there are many. Let's get another picture, this one for example, and same thing. We go to the presets. There's one I saw that was cyberpunk here, and I think one was called Chinatown. As you can see, this is really radical, obviously, so I could tune down, but you see the difference, that was a bit dull, a bit off, and right now it is a lot more powerful, a lot more screaming. So this is some of the presets I downloaded with my membership, my X membership. Now we're going to go to a different way of working. Let's pick this, let's choose this picture. I'm not going to apply a preset, I'm going to edit. And we can see how we can use some elements I actually got with my X membership. Let's go to develop the raw file. I'm going to drop a bit the exposure, the highlights a bit here, smart contrast. Okay, the colors I would like to have a bit more saturation here. Okay, but sadly there's not much I can do about the sky. Okay, So I'm going to go to close this. Let's get to enhance AI, see what it offers. Yeah, it's a bit more punchy, I like it. Sky, as you can see, there's not much I can do about the sky. So I'm going to sky here and replace the sky. This is what we get by default. So I would say I want to pick another sky, and if you go here, as you can see, there are several dramatic sky, all this, but you can have also the one you downloaded with your membership. That's here. So I'm going to pick a gray sky. I don't know which one I picked in French and Spanish. Let's pick this one, for example. See if I like it. Yeah, it's more like what I saw when I was there. A gray sky, a bit of texture. Unfortunately, the picture was slightly overexposed, so I lost a bit. So now what's important when you actually install a sky, don't forget you can work on the orientation, the position. Okay, place it as you wish. Vertical position, all this, you can work everything, like whether it's a sky you downloaded with the X membership or not, it's the same thing. What's really important, very often people forget this, the sky adjustment. You cannot have the sky more in focus than the background of your picture, so don't forget to defocus a bit. Okay, but right now, as you can see, this is what I had before, right? What I have now, this is a lot more punchy, and I've got this sky replacement because I got it for my sky collection on the X membership. Now let's go to another picture. Let's get to this one. And by the way, if you wanted to help me, don't forget I've got affiliated links in the description. Please use them, that really helps me. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo, as I said, you get a 10% discount with my code ERIC10 on top of any offer they have. So still place the code and you save some money. And with ERIC20, you get a 20% discount on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it, that helps you, that helps me, everyone happy. Thank you very much. Let's carry on. And same thing, we're going to edit it. We're going to go to develop raw file. Let's click auto adjust, see what it does. That's not bad. Okay, we're going to leave it this way right now. I'm going to close a bit here on the crop. That's it. Well, many people, they want to give a special look, effects or defect sometimes to their picture. Well, I could perfectly add a layer. Here, as you can see, I've got X membership here again, see all. Let's go to dust and scratches, see all. I'm going to pick this one. As you can see, I'm going to change the opacity here, and easily I've been able to add some small defects. Okay, I can see before and after, and you see I can give a different look to my picture. Many people love this. They actually often work on special effects and film simulation, so often people like that kind of thing. I could still expose a bit more. Okay, that's it. As you can see, it was easy. I could have started from here also. Pick this picture here, go to preset, maybe give a special look, this Chinatown look. Maybe it's too much here, it doesn't matter. Or the sushi bar. Okay, I'm going to drop a bit. As you can see, the small defect I put are not there anymore, because I should have picked the preset I wanted first. But then same thing, I can go here, go to my membership X with all my collection, add this dust after. As you can see, now I've got both of two worlds. I've got my original picture that is here. Then you see the preset that gives this color, and as you can see, I've put this small, like some kind of flare here. So it's so easy. Yes, you could do that before, no problem. But the problem is the amount of presets you have by default, the amount of small defects like this, you don't have that many. So if you want to have, some more choice, and you don't always give exactly the same small effect to your pictures, well, this is a great option, because every month you've got new thing you can use, and I think this is fun. Some people don't like this, they don't do it. This is completely respectable, but others, they really love to give the special look to the picture. And as you can see, it was easy to be done. Maybe you ask yourself the price of this X membership. Well, actually, well, the price is 79 euros. The equivalent in dollars, I don't know, 59 right now because there is a discount. But actually, it's a lot more than preset. You have 1200 preset plus creative, 600 exclusive preset, 120 color grading LUTs, many things. But you also have educational video library with many videos that explain many things. You get 20 fresh assets per month, and then you get 2 new video courses per year. So it goes a lot further than just presets and skies and things like this. You see the standard price for a preset normally is 15 euros, and here for 59 a year, normal price is 79, but right now it's 59 euros. You get all of this, 1200 plus creative assets. If you calculate the price of each of 15 euros, you can imagine the amount of money you save. So I think it goes a lot further than just assets. I think it's really worth it. So as you can see, this X membership, I think is fantastic for people who want to have new things every month, presets, skies and things like this. It can be a self-gift if you use Luminar Neo and you're happy to have this, or maybe you know someone uses Luminar Neo, and that's a fantastic gift. During the all year round, they will get some special new things every month. I think this is great. So I hope you liked it. In case you would be interested, as I said, my links and Eric 10, you get 10% discount. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The small button down here and the small bell. If you click on the bell, we'll get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. Don't forget, I've got affiliate links in the description. Please use them. And as I said 10 times already, if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo with Eric 10, you get a 10% discount on top of any offer there. So use my code and save some money. And with Eric 20, you get a 20% discount on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it. That helps you. That helps me. Everyone happy. Thank you so much. Also, leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.